What's good, guys? It's your boy, Angie's Arts, and y'all know that I'm big, so I thought, why not be a little Nicocado avocado and do some mukbang, even though it's not any good mic quality, but we got the super duper jelly pop sticks, dog, and we just gonna suck every flavor that there is. There's 3 flavors. We got orange, purple, and green apple. There you go. This is great, by the way. But let's get started. We got orange up first. Amazing. 7 out of 10. Some extra fell on my pants. Purple. Absolutely fire. 10 out of 10. Green. 10 out of 10.